Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Tala. I am the creator and co-founder of WriterGPT. In this video, we are going to learn about WriterGPT MCP tool. You can use this tool to connect with ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, or any other MCP tool. Okay, so first of all, we are going to connect it with ChatGPT using plugins, and we need to copy this MCP server URL from here. Now we are going to ChatGPT, and we are going to plugins and click on plus icon and simply paste the connection URL here, and you will click on auth settings from here. In meantime, you can name our tool WriterGPT MCP tool. Okay, so here you need to select DCR. If it's showing as unavailable, then you simply need to go down, and here you need to enter this registration URL. This field will be empty on your end, so go back to WriterGPT, copy this DCR from here and paste it here. Now you will be able to see DCR. Now we need to click on plus this checking box, and we need to click on create, and it will take few seconds to create this. Okay, so it's installed now. Now definitely you need to click on this. You need to log in with WriterGPT account and keep sure that you are a paid user, because free users can't access this. If you are already logged into WriterGPT, then you simply approve this and it will be redirected back to ChatGPT. So sometimes it stucks here. No need to wait here. You can simply go to ChatGPT and click close, and it is showing disconnect because it's already connected. So close this and click on WriterGPT MCP tool. So your plugin have been installed, and you can simply use it in chat. Here you can use it, like you can ask this tool to list down modes. It will list down all the modes that WriterGPT have. Then you can use these modes to generate article, and you can use all these current article. You can list down all the current article and so many things. These are the functions that you can use.